Today we take photos and shoot videos to capture parts of our lives. We often share our photos and video through social media. This has become a very common practice for most people. In a way, cameras have become the essential tools to keep our memories of the past so that we can remember. First ever camera was made in the 17th century. First ever photograph was taken in the 19th century. However, it was not until the 20th century when camera became accessible for visual creativity. The emergence of camera technology in the 20th century has completely changed the way visuals are created. For this reason, photography, film, and video began to be used in many academic studies for data, evidence, and analysis. Visual anthropology is one of them. So, what is visual anthropology? Visual anthropology is a subfield of social anthropology where anthropologists study and research through visuals to understand human societies and cultures. Visual anthropology became possible with the availability of cameras. In fact, cameras have introduced new methods to interpret and analyze human societies. An anthropologist states anthropology can be seen as a project of visual imagination, rather than read as a particular kind of literature. Sometimes visual images can be more powerful than writing. For example, Nanook of the North is the first official documentary representing the lives of Inuit in the northern Quebec of Canada. The documentary is considered culturally, historically, and aesthetically significant. Not only people can see the lives of these people, but also able to study and discover their intriguing stories. We could say images literally do a better job of show don't tell than writing. It is fascinating to see how cameras have opened many possibilities for anthropologists to conduct research. They provide strong evidence and data that are necessary for the study. However, visual recording cannot always be trusted. This is where the problems with visual data come in. People have the power to frame the world portrayed by cameras. Therefore, there are chances that certain images and videos are staged rather than genuine. This betrays the true purpose of visual anthropology. Moreover, it is also possible that photography and film are taken in a way that misrepresents certain objects, which creator hardly intended. Therefore, it is anthropologists' job to closely analyze and decipher whether such images and films can be documented. Even though there are minor issues with visual data, cameras have vastly improved the way we comprehend our societies and solve our social problems. So, it'll be quite interesting to see what will become of visual anthropology in the future with high technology.